Hello, guys. My name is Chase, and I'm presenting a platform centered around a topic many people don't want to talk about. Regardless of their agendas or their identity, it's just an awkward topic people just don't like to talk about. My journey started a little over a decade ago when a lady stole panties from a locker in high school. She was punished for this, while all she really wanted was just some hygienic material she could use for her periods. This led me down the path to further research, and I discovered ladies from time immemorial have actually been ostracized, invalidated, thanks to societal norms, affects primarily teens and our daughters mostly when they're starting out their periods, more so the teens of single dads. This is why we created Padbanque. We discovered in the society today there are no period kits primarily available to teens. There's a huge communication challenge and bias, especially when it comes to intergender communication around periods. There's almost no professional guidance currently available out there for teens when they're starting out their period. It's usually peer influence or primarily just Google search, and all this being made at an affordable price. Currently, the market opportunity shows that the female hygiene market currently is worth $20.9 billion, with the teen market currently worth an estimated amount of $600 million. There's a rapid growth rate in the industry currently, and we're looking at a 50% growth rate over the next decade. And with this, we're looking at generating a potential revenue of about $450 million with capturing a decent margin in the market. Our unique selling proposition, we're the first attempt, and we're on a mission. For every single purchase that is made, we're donating to end the cost of period poverty, which is the reason why we started this in the very first place. We're giving professional support 24/7. Whenever you have a problem or challenge, there's an issue with your periods, just pick up your phone and there's somebody on there to chat with you on the app or on the web platform. We're giving you peace of mind and taking the process management completely off the dads. Now you don't need to go shopping, you don't need to start thinking or researching of what specific products or hygienic items your daughter needs anymore. We deliver that to your doorstep every single month or quarterly, depending on the package you go for. We also make our package very, very thoughtful, which means every single item that you need, including the ones that you omit and those extras that the ladies need for their periods, everything has been delivered to you, of course, at a very affordable price and with much convenience. How to use the platform? Very simple. You go up and sign up on padbanque.com, access the contents, chat with our support, consume our videos, our blogs, customize your package and your profile, set up your menstrual trackers and all of that, and get your first package delivered within 48 hours. Our product is an organic box. We're very eco-friendly, so everything we're doing is primarily organic. We're giving you an educational platform, the app which helps you manage your period, your menstrual will, and predict your prediction and all of that thanks to our AI support. We give you professional support 24/7, and of course the anonymous forum interaction or the social interaction where dads can actually go ask questions with fellow dads answering, and teens also doing the same on a very anonymous and confidential platform. We're looking at generating a revenue of over $1 million the next 36 months. Currently, we're charging a monthly subscription of $15, a quarterly subscription of $34, and an annual subscription of $129. Our primary stakeholders are the teens, their dads, large corporations, and multinationals we'll be working with, which have their CSR focus around women and teens, and of course, the nonprofits we'll be collaborating with to fulfill our mission. In the industry, there are different companies currently offering different kinds of products, some organic, some not, and different kinds of educational platforms. But there is none that gives you comprehensive education, access to support 24/7, an anonymous social interaction platform, and a fully organic period box containing all those thoughtful items that you need that many companies never think of that you actually do need, all at a very affordable and simple packaging price. Our go-to-market strategy is to interact with the local community and organizations, like school clubs, primarily using word of mouth and different packages to actually gain a lot of traction in the local communities. This also helps to actually channel the communication pattern from the daughters now to their dads to also get them to onboarded and sign up on the platform. And of course, we'll be using social media a lot, collaborating with influencers to around the teen age bracket. We are seeking a funding of $250,000 to enable us achieve a couple of milestones, which includes generating revenue of $250,000 in 7 months, getting 50,000 boxes out to customers over the next 9 months, and obviously also giving out 50,000 boxes to teens in need across the world. I'm also looking to launch our product platform by July 2021. Currently, we have a team of highly skilled professionals coming together to bring this vision to life. Thank you.